Okay, I'm here in the gardens of Clumber Park, the National Trust property in Nottinghamshire, and they've got some lovely beds of brassicas. Here we've got some cauliflowers and got some kohlrabi behind me, and they've netted them, which is really important for brassicas because they get eaten by pigeons, and the butterflies, white butterflies, lay their eggs on them. So netting is very important from as soon as you actually plant them, you need to put netting on. This is a lovely soft netting that you can put over posts either side. This one is quite a wide hold one, so this is sort of more for your pigeons. You can get a finer net which is for butterflies, but it is certainly very important to net. And as I say, as soon as you've planted, or if you've sown and as soon as they peep through the surface, then you do want to actually apply a net. And make sure the netting goes right down to the base, and if necessary, peg it into the ground at the bottom. Don't let the net touch the actual leaves either, because it's surprising how much the predators, the pests, can actually peck through, or the butterflies can lay eggs through the netting. So make sure you keep them away from the leaves. So yeah, very important to net your brassicas.